In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove reposts on your TikTok account, okay? As usual, if you found value in this video, remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Let's get started without wasting so much time. Okay, look at the TikTok app. At the very bottom, you will see 4 buttons here. There's the home button, the friends button, the plus, and the profile button. Tap on the profile button, okay? Then after doing that, swipe to the left, then again until you arrive at this place with the 2 arrows in the opposite directions. Okay, now this is where you will find the videos that you reposted on your TikTok account. Now to delete this video, make sure you follow every step here. Okay, now just tap on that video, that reposted video, then tap on the share icon at the very bottom. Now you will see an orange button or icon here. So I don't know it's orange or yellow, I'm a bit colorblind. Now just tap on it, the delete repost. Now you'll be able to delete that repost. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.